Hi everyone, in this video, I will be showing you how to use OBS as a clipping software. So first, you just have to open your OBS and go to your settings. Now under settings, you have to look for output, tap this one, and then look for the option that says replay buffer. So that is next to audio. Now here you can change your settings. For example, for the maximum replay time, you can set this to 50s. And then after that, you can click apply and then click OK. If you can see other options such as maximum memory, you can set this to 512 MB, click apply and then click OK. Then you will see here start replay buffer. After that, you can go back to your settings again. And then this time you have to look for hotkeys. Look for start replay buffer. And then you can set any keys here. Everything is up to you. Once done, what you want to do is just simply click apply and then click OK. So after you finished changing some settings here, you can now exit this part and go to your desktop. And this time you have to locate your OBS. Tap OBS, right click, go to properties, and then here what you're going to do is just simply go to target, tap space, and you have to simply type this dash dash start replay buffer. So you just have to copy what I'm typing right now. Okay, so once you're done with this, and all you have to do is to click apply and then click OK. So when you launch your OBS, if you tap this one here, and then you will see, or it will take you directly to start replay buffer. Okay, that's it. Now, the very last thing to do is you have to go to your search bar and then type run. Now, this time you have to enter this shell common startup, and then all you have to do is to click OK. And what you want to do here is to simply drag your OBS a shortcut icon to this folder. And that's it. That's how easy it is to simply use OBS as a clipping software. So if you have found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching and see you in our next tutorials.